is seen, with shape and weight and form. The world we touch, the world we name, where reason feels at home. Yet something calls beyond the edge of what the senses show. A quieter layer starts to form, where deeper currents flow. From the solid to the unseen, the inner vision learns to turn. What once felt fixed begins to shift, as finer truths are learned. From surface form to subtle trace, the way grows calm and wide. Each layer opens into more, as unity draws near. Beyond the outer frame of things, the subtle starts to rise. Qualities blend and meanings meet in feeling, tone and sign. The lines between grow soft and thin, as parts begin to merge. The world reveals a deeper thread, that form alone can't urge. From the solid to the unseen, the inner vision learns to turn. What once felt fixed begins to shift, as finer truths are learned. From surface form to subtle trace, the way grows calm and wide. Each layer opens into more, as unity draws near. Just source completely real. Beyond the seen, beyond the felt, the essence stands real. between the one and all. No boundary to conceal. From gross to subtle, step by step, the journey finds its end. In quiet depth all things return to one unbroken blend. Settle, unified, still.